It's so important to protect your loved ones, your home, and your personal belongings. But not just any alarm system will do. These are intruder alarms. They come in a set of 12, perfect for all of your windows and doorways. The alarm creates a super loud sound when it's triggered so that you can be alerted and the intruder can be startled away. The alarms are totally ideal for your home, apartment, mobile home, office, hotel room, or garage. Inside the alarms are magnetic sensors, so when the two pieces are together, the alarm will not go off. But as soon as the magnetic strips separate from the alarm, you'll instantly hear the loud warning sound. There's a power switch on the side to turn the alarm on and off. On the back of each alarm, there is a sticky, adhesive backing to make installation simple and convenient. All of the magnetic strips also feature the adhesive backing as well. Each alarm is battery operated and takes 2 AA batteries. In this set, batteries are not included. These alarms give off a very loud warning sound at 95 decibels, and installation is very simple. Just remove the adhesive backing from the alarm and magnetic strip. Then press them into place on the desired area. There are 2 small arrows on the alarm and magnetic strip. Be sure that they are pointing towards each other in order for the alarm to be effective. This set of 12 window and door alarms is excellent for protecting your home. They're easy to install, have a loud sounding ring, and are perfect for keeping you and your family safe while keeping intruders out.
All right, here we're going to take a look at these door or window alarms. So just opening the box here, real nice, easy fold open. So here we have the alarm system. This just has some of the instructions and explains the different features on each alarm thing. So when you come in here, we have 10 of these. These are the magnetic sensors. And then we have 10 alarm units. So these are really nice because they come with pre-installed sticky pads. We're just gonna have to peel the pad off, stick it on our door or window. We'll be good to go. Same with the magnetic sensor. So very easy to install, easy to use, and it's really simple. So basically, we have our alarm switch. We can turn it on, up, or off, down. And when our door or window is closed, we want these to be close together. When the door or window opens, it'll separate like this. And when it gets further apart, that sensor is going to activate. It's going to make a really, really loud noise. This is great for home defense, home security, and it's just going to make you feel a lot safer, secure in your home or office. So we're going to go ahead, get a couple of these installed, and give them a test. All right, so just as an example here, I mounted this at the top of my door frame, so nice and out of the way. As you can see over here, I have the switch flicked down to on. And right now you can see the magnet is closed, so the sensor is not going off. I unlock the door, open it up, it's gonna pull that sensor away, go off like that, come down, turn back off. Just like that, it's really loud, really secure. It's just gonna make your home a safer place and give you a nice sense of security for yourself and for your family.
Hey! Today we're looking at the door and window alarm system for safety in your home.
We just moved into a new house, and our dad's first order of business was to get these.
If someone breaks in illegally, this will make a strong, loud sound to scare off the intruder and alert the owner.
They'll also let you know if your kids have gone outside of the house without telling you, and they'll keep your house safe or your office whether you're in it or not.
Other alarm systems need phone lines and wires that can easily be cut from the outside by the intruders, but not these.
The intruder can't cut wires or reach inside to shut it down without setting it off.
It's totally foolproof.
They're really easy to install too. Just insert the AAA batteries,
Paste them to your door or to your window,
and then turn them on, and they'll alert you every time.
The sound is so loud, not only will you hear it, but your neighbors will hear it too.
Which is an imperative feature.
So if you care about your safety, the safety of your family, and not getting your valuables stolen by an intruder, This is the alarm system for you.
We highly recommend these.
Get yours today.